Hello and welcome back to this massive open online course on Linux applications in engineering education. I am Dr. Amit Dogar and in today's lecture we will explore how Python libraries, particularly SciPy, SymPy and pandas can be used to solve engineering problems efficiently. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand the purpose and strength of SciPy, SymPy and pandas, perform scientific and symbolic computations, manipulate and analyze engineering data in tabular form. Python is open source, powerful, and integrates perfectly with Linux-based environments for scientific computing. Python is widely used in control systems, optimization, signal processing, data analysis. Its strength lies in extensive community-built libraries such as SciPy for numerical and scientific computations, SymPy for symbolic mathematics, pandas for structured data manipulations. These libraries simplify real-world engineering workflows from theory to simulation to analysis. Now, how to install these libraries? Let me demonstrate you. So, we can install these libraries using by simple command pip install SciPy, SymPy and pandas. And we can also verify these libraries by simple script. So now let me show you demonstration of this. So first we'll see about the numerical integration. SciPy provides an advanced mathematical tool for optimization, numerical integration, solving differential equation. So for this simple, we will from SciPy import the integrate and results, and we can give the integrate the functions like quad and the values that we want to find out. And finally, we get the output of this. So now for the given equation, we have used the function integrate, that is a part of the SciPy, and then we are calculating this and giving the result. So we'll write here Python program 1.py, and in this way now we got the output. So now let me demonstrate you the next program, that is about the solving the differential equation. So from SciPy.integrate we can import the solve underscore IVP, that is the function. We can define the custom function, and using the function like solve underscore IVP we can find out the differentiation of the given equation. So now let me run this program. Program 2. Now we got this output. So now let me show you some more example on the optimization. So for optimization, we will SciPy, we can optimize various functions. So now in this code we are importing the minimize function and we are printing the results. So SciPy helps model and optimize the engineering systems numerically. So now when we run, we got the minimum value as calculated as per the equation. So now we'll move toward the SymPy. So SymPy handles symbolic computation, algebra differentiation and integration analytically. So now in this code we can see from SymPy we are importing the symbols, equation and solve function, and we have defined the custom equation and we are getting the solution. So now we got the solutions 2, 3. Now let me demonstrate you about the differentiation and integration. So from SymPy we are importing the function integrate and differentiation, and we are printing the derivatives and integral of this output. So now we got the derivative and integral output of this. So now let me demonstrate you some more examples. So now we want to simplify. So again from SymPy we can import the simplify function, and this SymPy is very ideal for teaching and verifying mathematical derivations. So we can get the expression and we can simplify it and we can print the output. And in this way now we have got the output. Now next we will see about the pandas for data analysis. So pandas is used for managing and analyzing tabular or experimental data. So we can create the data frame using the import pandas as PD. We can give the data. Now here I am defining the variable voltage and current and giving the vector values, and we are printing the data frame. And now I am printing and then we are performing the basic analysis like mean voltage. We are calculating the power. We are calculating this file, and finally we are saving the output in the reading and writing to the CSV file, that is measurement.csv. So we are using the function df.to_csv. Now let me run this. Now when we run this program, we have specified the voltage, we got the mean voltage, and we got the output for the current, and also these values we have saved in a file by the name measurement.csv. So we can verify by the command cat measurements.csv. So we can get the output. So in this way we can print the result of our simulation or of our equation in CSV format. So pandas simplify lab data management and computation. Now we will see how to integrating these three libraries. So we will combine SciPy, SymPy and pandas for complete workflow. So here I am importing pandas, SymPy and SciPy and giving the equation. So now here this is my equation. I have specified the symbol in variable x, and we are saving the result in a variable result, and finally we are giving the output. So now we got the computational result as the integration of 9. So this integration of symbolic, numerical and data tools supports advanced engineering applications. Now we will summarize what we have learned today. So SciPy enables numerical and optimization tasks. SymPy provides symbolic mathematics and derivations. Pandas analyze the structured data, and together these form a powerful ecosystem for scientific computation in Linux. In the next lecture, we will explore visualization using Matplotlib and Seaborn. Thank you for watching.